Ever heard of a rock with gas? No, seriously. Imagine you're on a hike. It just rained, and suddenly the ground lets out a burp. Turns out some stones actually belch after a shower. Here's the scoop. Certain porous rocks soak up rainwater like a sponge. When the sun pops back out, that water heats up, turns to vapor, and poof, out comes a little burp of air and mist. It's like the rock's been holding it in all day. So next time you hear a mysterious gurgle after rain, don't blame your stomach. It might just be the world's gassiest stone letting loose.